love Santorini. So we're being blown away.
Welcome y'all to Santorini.
That's the ship. Odyssey of the Sea. Tinder. Ocean. No, you're good. You're not in it. Say that again?
It's Greece.
Yes. Greece. Santorini to be exact. There we go.
Hello everyone. The meeting point will be this one at 5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock, we will walk down.
All right, guys, we have made it to Santorini. Specifically, we are in Fira, right?
Fira, which is the capital of, I believe, Santorini.
And he said it. Yeah, he said it's in the center of Santorini.
Yes.
Also, right? So you can see behind us. You can see that's the water. Actually, that's our ship that we came in on. and then we'll be walking around the town of Santorini.
Yeah. So just be warned that this tour is walking almost straight uphill with cobblestones. So if you're doing this tour on your own, be aware of that. Anybody that might have a disability.
Yeah.
And it's hot.
It is very hot here. I'm very surprised how hot it is here.
And I think it's like 90 today.
Yeah. Oh my
It's
gosh.
very hot. So.
But it's beautiful here.
It is
so
gorgeous.
far. The architecture, the landscaping, absolutely it's gorgeous.
It is. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I hope you guys see those mountains behind us?
Yeah.
Those are the other, I guess, islands. And absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
So we're gonna go do some shopping, grab some lunch.
Shopping? What?
I tried to sneak that in before the lunch, but
Yeah.
it didn't work.
Ooh.
So we're gonna do a little shopping, a little lunch, and do some walking around, and we're gonna take you guys with us. So come on.
All right, let's go look at Santorini, shall we? I took 2 stills. Now I'm taping. I love Santorini. Look at this whole place.
Let's go this way.
There's a fork in the road. Don't know which way to go. Look at this, how beautiful, huh?
Have it on my ankle.
Oh, you do? Let's see. Look at that. Dawn has it on her ankle. And it's for sale here in Santorini.
It's a third eye.
Blind?
Lava necklaces.
Fresh market, fresh produce. All right, thank you.
That was a big bite. How is it?
Oh,
Really good. In the liquor store, you want to go look in it?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We are at a shop called the White House. At a shop called the White House. You see everything that they
I
have.
should get something to put on underneath it.
And then this is what Miss Dawn came out with.
And it's really cute. Look, so it has a button on top. And I can take this part. And you can button it up here. This part. So it goes from like a sundress to, I don't know, fancier sundress. Right, there it is. Get in there. It takes effort. I don't want to cut my fingers, that's the shell. Okay, there we go. It goes like this. So it's, and then it has like a cat sleeve. See? Isn't that pretty?
It's very nice.
Yeah. Very happy with it. Except I'm now realizing I may need to get like an underskirt because it is see-through.
Of course she needs to get something else. Why wouldn't you? So here we are. We are at a place called Select Bar and Wine. It's a nice little rooftop bar. And this is the view you get. You can see the ships out there. The ship in the middle, that's ours. That's Odyssey of the Sea, Royal Caribbean. And then there is the third cruise ship. And you can see the tender coming back from our ship. So that brings you back and forth to the ship. What a view. Now, I'm not sure if these are people's homes or if these are restaurants, shops. They look like shops to me. They could be resorts too. Not quite sure. If I can find out, I'll put it in at the bottom of the video.
Which is located on the very top, as you can see. This mountain separates three of the most famous villages of Santorini. That rear is the village of Kamari. All of them are very similar because they have the black sand beach of Santorini. But the only difference is that Peris and Perivoros are quiet villages. And
Alright guys, so we are back on the tender, headed back to the ship. Whenever it takes off, I guess the other buses are coming down. Hope you can see that bus in the distance. Right up there, that's where we were. Alright, hello again people. Alright, so we are now back on the ship and we have had dinner in the main dining room again. Tonight's dinner was so-so, right?
Yeah, it's good, but I was telling Everett today, I think that we're like a little bit of a food snob. excuse me, we've kind of experienced food from a lot of different places. So the food here is on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give it a 7.
Yeah, I would say some is very good.
Very good.
More, as they say in Rome,
Okay, baby.
but some of it's just so-so.
Yeah, it's
But
not blowing me away. I haven't had anything yet that I've been like, oh my god, that's so good. Most of the time it's edible, it tastes okay, and I'm like, oh, that's alright.
Now we're at so we have reservations for a show called Book
Yeah.
at 9:30, and it's only about, what time is it now? It is only 10 to 8. So we have some time.
And we're hearing it's a really good show, so you have to get your reservations in early. We got them done the first minute we got here. We went and got our reservations in.
So we're just here in the Crown and Pub. What is it, Crown and Pub? Crown and something. I think
Yeah, we'll go with Crown and Pub.
Yeah, I think it's Crown and Pub. I'll probably put something like here, giving you the right name. But so we're here having a drink. Dawn has Prosecco, and I have a Stone IPA. So we're just gonna chill out here, relax, because it's a lot of walking. We did the tour of Santorini, and it's a lot of walking up a lot of steep inclines on cobblestone.
On cobblestone. So let's talk about that. So there's a couple of ways you can do this tour. One of them is you take the funcular, I think it's called.
The who?
Funicular, funcular, I don't know.
No.
Anyway, it's sort of like I don't know, like a trolley that goes up the hill, and it gets you to the top of the Santorini Fira area, and you can go tour that way. If it's included in your tour, it doesn't cost anything. If it's not included in your tour, it's $6 a person. Our tour was done by bus, so we went up these steep hairpin inclines, and as you guys know, I'm not a fan of heights. It was very scary, was it not?
It was.
I mean, the buses have to pull over to let other cars through because it's very narrow, and you look over, literally like the curb was only about a foot high, right? And the buses are like skirting across. Anyway, we'll show you. Very scary. And so they drop you off, and then you have to walk up about a good, I'm gonna say half a mile up the steep incline to get to the top of Fiore, where then you can go shopping and restaurants and stuff. And even once you get there, you're going up and down hills, right?
Yeah.
So it was a lot. It was a lot of fun. I did some shopping. I enjoyed it, but I want to let you guys know to consider it. Again, if you have any sort of disability with walking, don't carry heavy bags. Bring your C-Pass.
And it was unusually hot, they say. It was like summertime hot.
Yeah, it was like 89 or something today. It was ridiculous. So everybody was friendly. We enjoyed it. I would do it again. We carried light, and we were lucky in that sense. Don't carry a lot of bags. And hydrate. And on that note, that's it.
All right.
So
we'll see you at the next stop, I think.
Mykonos. Tomorrow.
Bye.
Ciao.
When we wake.
And now I think it's time for us to end this video as Dawn gets her party
Side
on.
by side, our fears are done.
Now it's time for us to get to
All the
getting.
good
Get the
times just
getting.
begun.
See y'all.
See you, everybody.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content drops.
With you and I, the future is